All right, so welcome to the Grow Family Network. Today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how we made this trellis in less than 5 minutes, because I gotta do it in 5 minutes because that's the only memory we have left on this card. And we're gonna do it with this bed right here. I already have some asparagus beans in them. So you need zip ties, probably 6-foot T-posts is what we're gonna use. Probably can get away with something a little bit less. And a fence panel. We gotta hurry up and get it done. Let's go. And a hammer.
Be quiet. I had enough for today.
Just start trying to loop through some of those vines. All right, so we did that in just about 3 minutes. So now you can see, and what I told Bells was to go ahead on and start vining up some of those, or just looping. We've been put this stuff in, and we just got it like sitting on the beds. So what we're gonna do now is just kind of train it up the fence. And if we had that already installed about a month ago, then this trellis system would look similar to that one. But I didn't have the time, and I really wanted to show you guys how easy it was to make a trellis on your raised bed. Let me take this off of here with the last minute we have and really go in close for you so you can see. Everybody knows how lush that looks. This is actually how this looks. Just a fence panel. I do see them at Home Depot and Lowe's, but you can get them from these farm sales, these estate sales. And all it is just a T-post, 2 of them knocked in the ground with the fence panel going a long ways. I think this is about 10 feet long. So this fence panel may be somewhere around 9 feet. like a 9-foot panel. But that's the back side of how it looks of what we've been doing. And all Bells is gonna do is just train up some of that. We might not be able to get all of it, but we'll have to step inside the bed in order to really train it, because that's one thing about having this kind of panel, is that it's hard to harvest. Like here, coming from both sides, you really only can harvest from one side, but it does make for a good trellis, especially when you can just pick stuff off the back side of a good vining crop. So that's it. That's all we wanted to show you all, how easy it is to make a trellis system. Thank y'all for watching the Grow Family Network, and as always, grow, grow, grow. Thank you so much, Miss Bells.